Welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to see a very useful method which is called HCF, highest common factor. We already know about common factor, right? But HCF stands for highest common factor. So we already know about HCF, there is common factor. If two numbers are given x and y, if we are asked to find the common factor among them, then we'll write the whole factor of x then y, and we'll see which among them are common, right? And those common will be the common factor of x and y. That's it. But HCF is the greatest number, okay, which is able to divide x and y. It means able to divide means it's a factor of x and y. And since it is able to divide both, it's a common, right? So it's a common factor and it's the greatest common factor, right? That is called HCF. We'll see by an example. If I say I need to find the HCF of 18 and 48, we'll first do is we'll find the common factor of 18 and 48. 18, I'll do the prime factorization method. 3 and 1. Here 48, 2, 24, 12, 6, 3 and 1. So 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? If we are asked to find the common factor, let's see the common factor first. 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, but we know that 1 will also be a common factor. So common factor of 18 and 48 will be 1, 2, 3. There will be another number, because since 2 and 3 are common factor, we can multiply them, right? 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. 6 is also a common factor, right? If you want to check it, like 6 it's able to divide 18, it's able to divide 48, so it's also a common factor. From this prime factorization method, we found out about 2 and 3, right? We need to multiply it to find this one, 6. So 6, 3, 2 and 1 are the common factors of 18 and 48. You already know about this common factor method, but I guess I didn't told you about this, like you have to multiply this too. Sorry about that. And so now, like, it's complete. This is the way to find the common factor. You first do prime factorization method, you write it down, and 2 and 3 we got it from prime factorization method, and since they are common we have to multiply it, right? And 6 turns out to be another factor of 18 and 48. So this is the whole complete method. So 1, 2 and 3 and 6 are the common factor of 18 and 48, but it's asking about the highest common factor. So 6 is the highest common factor, right? So this will be the HCF of 18 and 48. But this method is like, it's very tedious, it's long. It's not very tedious, but it's long. So I'll teach you another method which is very simple and it's easy to do. I need to find 18 and 48 HCF, right? We know it's 6 already. Keep that in mind. So I don't need to do any prime factorization method or something like that. What I need to do is I'll write down 48 and I'll divide it by the smaller number, that is 18. Alright, we have to divide it by smaller number. 18 3 ja, we know it's 54, 2 ja 36. So it will be 2, 12 is the remainder. 12 is the remainder. Now the next step will be I'll bring down this divisor in here, and I'll divide it by the remainder. 1 ja 12. 6 is the remainder. Now I'll again bring down the divisor until there is remainder as 0. 2 ja 12. So remainder now it's 0. So the last divisor is the HCF. This is the HCF. It was faster than this, right? You'll get used to it. We'll do a few more examples so that you have a hand in it. If we are asked to find the HCF of 91, 112, and 49, right? Now it's not 2 number, it's 3 number. What I'll do is I'll first find the HCF of many 2 numbers, say this 2 number. So I need to divide it by smaller number, right? So I'll first write the bigger number in here inside and the smaller number out. 1 ja 91. Remainder is 121. Now I'll bring down the divisor like I did before. It's 4 times 4 and 4, 84, and 7. I'll again bring down the divisor until the remainder comes 0. 3 ja 21. So here remainder is 0. So HCF of 91 and 112 is 7, but we have the third number, right? So I need to check with 49. So I'll find 7 and 49 HCF, right? Because the HCF of these two is 7, so I'll write down the HCF and the third number, 7 and 49. I need to take the smaller number outside. I need to divide it by it. 7 7 the 49, and there is 0. So 7 is the HCF. Let's do one more example to understand it better. It will be the third example. 18, 54, and 81. We need to find the HCF of 18, 54, and 81 by this method, right? 18, 54. I'll take these two number. 18 3 ja 8 3 ja 24, 2 3 1 ja 3 4 5 54. So remainder is 0. So HCF of 18 and 54 is 18 itself, right? This is the HCF of these two numbers. Now I'll write down the HCF and 18. I mean HCF and the number, third number, 81, right? So it will be 18 4 ja 72. 9 will be the remainder. 15. I'll bring down the divisor here. You already know the process. 15. Now the remainder is 0. So HCF of all this number will be 9. HCF of 18, 54, and 81 is 9. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.